Introducing the Samsung Galaxy M17e 5G, the all-in-one monster. This device redefines smartphone value, combining speed, power, and long-lasting performance in one package. There are 6 great reasons to upgrade. From a smooth 120Hz display and a massive 6,000 mAh battery to powerful processing and advanced AI features, this phone leads the segment. Experience the segment's smoothest display. The 6.7-inch screen delivers a 120Hz refresh rate for fluid scrolling, while adaptive brightness technology works to save your battery life. At its heart lies the powerful MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor. Combined with 6 GB of RAM, this octa-core chip handles heavy tasks and effectively eliminates system lag. Power through your day with this 6,000 mAh monster battery, providing up to 26 hours of video playback. Adaptive technology helps preserve power by putting unused apps to sleep. Capture stunning details with the 50-megapixels dual camera system. Featuring an f1.8 aperture for better light intake and a dedicated night mode, you can get bright, clear photos even in low light. Find information instantly with Circle to Search powered by Google. Simply circle any image, text, or music on your screen to trigger a fast, intelligent search. The device runs on One UI 8.0 with Android 16. Enjoy flagship-level software features, a clean, user-friendly interface, live notifications, and organized home screen folders. Security is simple with one-touch control. Samsung Wallet allows for secure tap and pay, while your fingerprint grants quick, pin-free access, all backed by the protection of Samsung Knox. Built to last, the phone features IP54 protection, making it resistant to dust and water splashes. Its tough construction is designed to survive daily accidents. Stay connected everywhere with support for 12 5G bands. This ensures you have access to major networks for fast, reliable internet signal without annoying drops. Invest with confidence. Samsung offers 6 generations of OS upgrades and 6 years of security patches, keeping your device new and secure until 2032. The Galaxy M17e boasts a premium look with a sleek 8.2mm body. Available in Vibe Violet and Blitz Blue, it features a stylish key island design. Inside the box you will find the phone, a Type-C cable, and an ejection pin. Please note that the 25W fast charger is sold separately. In summary, the Galaxy M17e 5G offers exceptional value. With 6 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage, and a 120Hz display, you get premium features at a highly competitive price point.